What separates the few millionaires in the world from others who are not? Is it luck, a brilliant idea, or a wealthy family? While these factors may play a role, they aren't the driving force behind sustained financial success. The truth is, becoming a millionaire isn't about external circumstances. It's about adopting a set of principles that fundamentally reshape the way you think, act, and approach life. Millionaires aren't just people with money. They have mastered the mindset and habits that attract wealth. If you've ever wondered what it takes to rise above the ordinary and join the ranks of the financially free, this is your blueprint. The journey to $1 million begins not in your bank account, but in your mind. Wealth isn't just earned. It's created through discipline, vision, and strategic action. This isn't a get-rich-quick formula. It's a transformation of your approach to work, time, and money. Imagine having the confidence to turn challenges into opportunities, the foresight to make bold investments, and the resilience to push through setbacks. These traits aren't innate. They're cultivated through the principles we'll uncover. Whether starting from zero or looking to level up your financial game, these 9 principles are the foundation for building lasting wealth. But here's the catch. These principles aren't for the faint of heart. They require commitment, self-reflection, and a willingness to embrace change. Are you ready to break free from limiting beliefs, ditch bad habits, and unlock your true potential? If so, you're already one step closer to your goal. Let's dive into the 9 principles that can redefine your life and set you on the path to millionaire status. Principle number 1. Have a vision and a visionary mindset. Becoming successful isn't just about making money. It's about having a clear purpose. Think of your vision as a roadmap that guides every decision you make. Without a clear direction, you'll waste time and energy going nowhere. Look at successful people like Elon Musk or Oprah. They didn't just want to get rich. They wanted to make a real difference. Musk wanted to change how we use technology. Oprah wanted to give people a voice and inspire others. Their big dreams helped them become wealthy. When you have a strong vision, you start seeing opportunities others miss. Successful people don't just wait for good things to happen. They create their chances. They think about what might happen in the future and get ready for it before anyone else does. A clear vision also helps you stay strong when things get tough. The road to success does not necessarily have to be difficult. You may face failures and problems along the way, but it's easier to keep going when you know precisely why you're doing something. Your vision becomes your motivation. Think of your vision like a powerful flashlight. It helps you see through dark times and shows you the way forward. It's not just about dreaming big. It's about having a plan and sticking to it. If you want to succeed, start by clarifying what you want. Don't just think about money. Think about the impact you want to make. What problem do you want to solve? What change do you want to create? Your vision is your most powerful tool. It can turn your dreams into reality if you believe in it and work hard to make it happen. Principle number 2 is one of my favorites. Set specific and actionable goals. Setting specific, actionable goals is the foundation for achieving financial success and personal fulfillment. Vague aspirations like, "I want to be rich," lack the clarity needed to inspire action. Instead, defining precise goals, such as "I will save $20,000 for a house down payment within 2 years," creates a clear target and timeline. This level of specificity transforms a wish into a structured plan, making it easier to measure progress and stay motivated as you move closer to your dreams. Specificity also brings focus and accountability to other areas of life. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," an actionable goal could be, "I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week and prepare healthy meals at home." This clarity empowers you to break the goal into manageable steps and track achievements, building momentum toward long-term success. By defining your top 5 life goals, you create a roadmap that separates meaningful aspirations from fleeting desires. Clear goals align your daily actions with your vision and reveal the deeper motivations driving your ambitions. And now, principle number 3. Prioritize tasks that align with your financial goals. Prioritizing tasks that align with your financial goals is key to long-term success. Start by evaluating your daily activities to see how each contributes to your objectives. This reflection helps you identify time-wasting habits and highlights tasks that move you closer to your goals. By focusing on what truly matters, you can decide better where to direct your energy. Planning is another powerful strategy to maximize productivity. Create a daily or weekly schedule that prioritizes activities aligned with your financial goals. such as skill building, networking, or investment management. A proactive approach keeps you on track and ensures your time is spent efficiently, making it easier to measure progress and stay focused. Eliminating distractions, especially from social media, is crucial for maintaining focus. While platforms like Facebook and Instagram can be entertaining, they often take up valuable time. Set boundaries for social media use or designate specific hours for distraction-free work. This helps you focus on tasks that drive you toward financial success. By the way, if you are enjoying this, please click the like button and subscribe for more content from us. Principle number 4 is one of the easiest, but very few like it. It is simply to be accountable. Accountability is the foundation upon which the journey to becoming a millionaire is built. At its core, accountability means taking ownership of your decisions, actions, and results. Without it, progress becomes aimless, and dreams of wealth remain just dreams. Millionaires understand that success isn't accidental. It's the product of disciplined effort and the ability to learn from every experience, good or bad. When you hold yourself accountable, you create a feedback loop that fosters growth, adapts to challenges, and propels you forward. Excuses, on the other hand, rob you of this growth, keeping you stuck in a cycle of stagnation. Moreover, accountability forces you to confront uncomfortable truths, a trait that separates millionaires from the average person. Most people avoid difficult conversations about their finances, productivity, or habits. Millionaires, however, embrace them. They track their expenses meticulously, evaluate investments rigorously, and seek mentorship to correct weaknesses. This self-honesty allows them to course-correct quickly, ensuring minor missteps don't snowball into significant failures. It's not about perfection, it's about progress, and accountability keeps progress alive. Here comes principle number 5. Avoid procrastination like a plague. Procrastination is one of the greatest threats to achieving financial success, particularly for those aspiring to become millionaires. Time is the most valuable asset, yet procrastination squanders it without remorse. Every moment spent delaying action is a lost opportunity to learn, invest, or take meaningful steps toward wealth creation. Millionaires understand that financial success requires urgency and consistency. Whether starting a business, investing in assets, or developing skills, waiting for the perfect time is a fallacy. The perfect time is now, and those who hesitate often find themselves left behind in a world that rewards speed and adaptability. Avoiding procrastination is also essential because opportunities are fleeting. The world of wealth creation is dynamic. Markets shift, trends evolve, and competitors emerge. Waiting too long to act can mean missing out on critical opportunities that could have been life-changing. Millionaires recognize that taking imperfect action is better than taking no action. By avoiding procrastination, you position yourself to seize opportunities when they arise and learn from the outcomes, whether they result in success or valuable lessons. If you aspire to wealth, eliminating procrastination isn't optional. It's a non-negotiable commitment to your vision and future self. Principle number 6. Be focused and consistent. Success is a precise science, not a game of chance. Becoming a millionaire requires an unwavering commitment to focused, consistent action. Think of your financial journey like a sculptor carefully chiseling a masterpiece. Every day matters. Top achievers don't rely on sporadic bursts of motivation, but on disciplined, systematic execution of their strategy. As a river gradually carves through rock, your consistent efforts transform potential into tangible wealth. Consistency is the secret multiplier of success. A 1% daily improvement might seem small, but over a year, it compounds into massive growth. Every decision, investment, and skill acquisition must be strategically aligned with your ultimate financial vision. Inconsistency fragments your potential, scattering your energy and diluting your progress. The most successful people don't just work hard, they work smart, creating systems and habits that automatically drive them toward their goals. Your financial destiny isn't predetermined. It's precisely engineered through deliberate daily choices. Remember, millionaires aren't born. They're methodically constructed through disciplined focus and unwavering commitment. Here comes principle number 7 with a simple title: Invest, Invest, Invest. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, revealing a profound financial truth. Investing is not just saving money, it's deploying your resources as strategic soldiers in a wealth-building campaign. Every dollar invested is a worker generating additional income while you sleep. eat, and live. Traditional savings accounts offer minimal returns, but strategic investments in stocks, real estate, and diversified portfolios can transform modest contributions into substantial wealth. The mathematics of investing is revolutionary. Investing $500 monthly with a 10% annual return could grow to nearly $1 million in 30 years. Compound interest works like a snowball, gathering momentum with each revolution. Early investors have a massive advantage, as their money has more time to multiply. Learning to invest requires developing a millionaire's mindset, seeing money as a tool for creation, not just consumption. Start by understanding investment vehicles. Stocks offer company ownership. Bonds provide stable returns. Real estate generates passive income, and index funds offer broad market exposure. The key is consistent, intelligent action. Principle number 8. Be willing to make deliberate sacrifices. I once found a powerful quote that stuck with me. If you are not willing to make sacrifices for your dream, then your dream will become the sacrifice. While I'm unsure of the source, the message is clear. Sacrifices are essential for success, especially regarding financial goals. Many people underestimate the impact of unhealthy habits and distractions on their progress. Activities like endless social media scrolling, binge-watching TV, or overeating drain your time and energy, hindering your ability to focus on what truly matters. These distractions slow down progress and lead to a cycle of procrastination, making it harder to stay on track toward your financial aspirations. To break free from this cycle, prioritize your health and well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep fuel your body and mind, making it easier to stay motivated and productive. Finally, here comes principle number 9. Don't underestimate your current resources and wealth. Your most incredible wealth isn't waiting in a distant dream. It's already within your grasp. Every skill, connection, and experience you've accumulated is a potential gold mine waiting to be excavated. Most people mistakenly believe success requires extraordinary resources when, in reality, the tools for transformation are already in your hands. Your education, professional background, personal network, and life experiences are not just background details. They're strategic assets primed to launch your financial journey. Gratitude is the secret catalyst that transforms ordinary resources into extraordinary opportunities. When you shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance perspective, you unlock a robust mental algorithm that reveals hidden potential. Each small blessing becomes a stepping stone, each past challenge a valuable lesson. This mindset doesn't just improve your outlook, it fundamentally rewires your ability to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your goals. The most successful individuals understand that wealth creation happens in the present moment. While dreams provide direction, your current actions generate momentum. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start leveraging what you have right now. There may be other principles, but I believe adopting these 9 principles is the key to unlocking your path to millionaire status. Success isn't about luck, but consistent, deliberate actions and a focused mindset. Start implementing these principles today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for your time. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe to enjoy more content from us. I will genuinely appreciate it. Let's win together.